Hello guys, again this is your host Akshada from DHC New Homes, and today we are here at L&T Realty introducing 77 Crossroads Nova Tower. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing right here near the project module. Just have a look. This right here is their a project module. Here comes your, so in between in the center you will have your podium level car parking, and then it will be surrounded with four towers near, besides the car parking. You'll have the podium level, luxurious amenities which will include your kids play area. You have all the basic amenities in here. And then let us just go forward. I'll tell you some basic connectivity things. What all connectivity advantages you got for this particular project, as well as also I'll take you to the sample flat of 2 BHK, and I'm going to help you explore the 2 BHK flat today. So guys, experience a world of connectivity of around 7 major developments. As you can see, this right here is your freeway via Ghatkopar Mankar link road. As you can see, you have a BKC connector just at 8 minutes of distance. This is your proposed Vikroli Koparkhene link road at 8 minutes of distance. Guys, have a look. That's your Santacruz Chembur link road. Again, it is at 1 minute of distance. You have your metro connectivity Thane, Vadala, Bandra, Andheri just at legit 3 minutes of distance. Guys, you're covering your Mumbai train Harbour link at 14 minutes of distance. Comes your upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport just at 30 minutes distance from this particular location. Let us go forward and explore the world-class amenities that these guys are providing you. I'm also going to help you explore the sample flat of 2 BHK. Come. So guys, as I was talking about the location advantages that you're getting with this particular project, as I said, you have your BKC just at 10 minutes of distance from here. You have your R City Mall just again at 10 minutes of distance from here, guys. You have your Powai Galleria just in 15 minutes of distance from this location, guys. Again, for your shopping and retailing, you have your D-Mart located at a very close distance. Guys, this is a amazing opportunity for you to grab this 637 carpet along with deck 2. So guys, if I talk about the total area, this is in 2.67 acres of land parcel. You have your high street retail within the development, guys. This is definitely going to be a better lifestyle. You have best location, finest just in 10 minutes from your BKC as well. This is best of world class amenities, wherein you're getting all the modern amenities along with this project. You have a sky garden of legit 20,000 feet, guys. Let us just go forward and experience a host of 20 plus world class amenities, guys. You have your precious sky garden, comes your box cricket. You have your convenience store, comes in your kids play area. You have a elevated jogging park, comes in your health center, healthcare center, your senior citizen area, gymnasium, library, salon and spa. Comes your indoor swimming pool, indoor games room, and you have your all the world-class modern amenities along with this project. Let us go forward and explore their 2 BHK sample flat. Come. Let me help you explore their 2 BHK 637 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their living space. As you can see, guys, as soon as you enter in from there, just on your left hand side, you have your beautiful dining space there. And then when you come in here, you have your sitting area, comes your center table, and your beautiful your TV unit comes right here. And then you also have an deck balcony attached with your living space, and then this will give you a beautiful view out there. And let me take you to the kitchen space. As soon as you enter in from here, just on my left hand side, you have your beautiful kitchen space, guys. Just have a look. This is your sink area, kitchen platform. Look at this amazing storage that they have given. Your fridge unit comes here, some more storage, and then you have your common washroom right here. Just have a look, guys. This is your common washroom, and then you have all the luxurious fittings that are in your common washroom, which is again included. This right here is your common bedroom, guys. This could be your kids bedroom. You can see a long length of mirror that they have given, which is covered under your niche area. You can probably make this as your wardrobe space, and then you have your second master bedroom. Guys, this is your second bedroom, which is again a master bedroom. You can see how beautifully they have covered the space. This right here is showing your, basically it is covered under your niche area. Not really, basically this could be a wardrobe space if you can customize this as per your basic needs. And then comes your beautiful attached washroom along with your master bedroom. Guys, they are also giving you a dry area space, and then you have all the premium Jaguar fittings already installed in your washroom.